Hello everybody, today we are going to make a strawberry sponge cake with Swiss meringue buttercream. So we'll start out with 2 sticks of butter, and we'll put in the sugar, room temperature butter, and we'll put in 1 1/4 cup of sugar. We attach it to the blender, the mixer, a roll leaf attachment. Then we'll put in 1 tablespoon of vanilla sugar. And put it on till it's nice and fluffy. We'll keep it on too until it's nice and fluffy. And then we'll get our dry ingredients on the way. Calls for 3 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, then we whisk this, and then we'll add in our eggs, which is, we have 4 eggs, and we'll have it on stir, put it on stir, and you see how it's nice and fluffy. And so we'll crack eggs 1 by 1 into the mixer. I'm just gonna get everything down so it can all get mixed together. And we also preheat the oven. Add the last egg in. And now what we'll do is we'll add the dry ingredients we put the milk and strawberry puree together, and it's 1 1/4 cup of it. And so you put some of that, start and ending with dry ingredients. We'll do it alternating. I'll add some of the milk in. So now we will add, now since our batter is ready, we'll do half of the batter in both of the pans.
Remember about the food dye.
Oh, and also some recipes say that you add some food dye to make it more pinkish, but we don't do that. We just have it natural. We will keep them in the oven for 1 hour. So the cake has been in the oven for an hour. We'll check on it. And here's what it made. Okay, so we got our cakes out of the fridge, and now we're gonna start making the Swiss meringue buttercream. And we will start with putting in our eggs. 5 egg whites. And we'll put in our powdered sugar. 680 grams of powdered sugar. And then we have salt, half teaspoon of salt. And then the vanilla. 2 tablespoons of vanilla. See, it has nice, soft peaks. It wants to be like this. So as you see, you want nice, soft peaks. Here's what it will look like. And then we'll just put it back on and add the butter little by little. A tablespoon by tablespoon. 6 sticks of butter. 600 grams also. Keep it on stir. Now we'll just turn it up little by little. So since while we're waiting, I'm just gonna cut the top, a little bit of the top off so it can make it flat. now since our buttercream is ready, we're going to put icing on the bottom of the cake.
So we've decided to do a mixture of colors for the, sorry, there we go, a mixture of colors. So you do this and then you can make some cool designs on the cake. So this is our Pokeball.
And we're going to decorate it.
And we're going to decorate it. And here we are. So, you know, you can do what you want. This is what we decided to do.
And we still... And there you go, one nice tasty cake made by Kael. Please subscribe and like it.